Alright, so as we get started, I would like to point out a tutorial or an article that I have on my site, which is talking about tips for learning Dialogflow CX. And if you go down the tutorial, you'll find something interesting. I ask that you ignore all the complex terminology when you begin learning Dialogflow CX. And an example of the complex terminology would be things like scope and state handlers and things. And I want you to remember this as I go through the next set of videos, because I will be walking you through a set of steps and I'll not be explaining everything that you see on the screen. And it's quite intentional because there's a lot of stuff which you might see in a screen full of the video that you see, which is not relevant at that point as you're trying to learn how Dialogflow CX works. So I just wanted to point this out because that will prepare you for what the next set of videos which are going to come.